I'm trying to brew it up.
Yeah, but try to push hard. If you like clench your stomach muscles. Lock us in. Oh, it stinks so bad. Between you and me, bro.
I'm just not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna follow through.
Come on!
I got a brewing, I got a poo brewing!
What?
I got a poo brewing, not a fart!
Go for it.
Now I'm gonna shit myself!
So you're probably wondering what's going on right now, guys, which I appreciate. I had an idea this morning. I'm actually a big fan of these portable speakers. I thought we could sew this into Elliot's hoodie with Carl's sewing skills. You can sew, right?
Yeah.
Carl's sewing skills. We're going to sew this into Elliot's hoodie. I'm going to connect up to my phone. We're going to play fart noises. Obviously, we had to generate some fart noises, so we made our own fart noises ourselves. And Tristan crapped himself.
Oh, twice.
That being said, wherever Elliot goes today, he's going to be known as Shitbum Giles. Sorry, bro. So are we giving away all of these iPhone 8s to people? Like, if they like the videos, are we giving them away? Or?
I think so.
Bro, you're not meant to be recording this. Like that. So Carl is now cutting an incision in the hoodie where he's going to basically put these... Well, tell us, Carl, what's going on?
I'm just gonna put this speaker inside here.
Do you think this is going to work, though?
Yeah, it's
And what's the range on this thing?
like 30 metres.
30 metres?
Lovely, it's like when I used to work in the dog kennels.
What?
I'm a veterinarian.
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Bro, I had a life before you.
Okay, so that's going to start nice in there. That's all nice, and then all you got to do is sew it, bro. I've never sewn in my life at all.
because
Why
you
have you
have
got red thread? Why couldn't you get blooming white thread?
That's all they had.
Oh, God, you donk. Okay, I'm going to have to put this hoodie up in the house, and then we'll just wait outside. And just follow him.
No.
Sorry, bro. Go.
There he is. There he is, he has no idea.
Bro, this is so crystal. Guys, the brand new iPhone 8 Plus first shot in there. Shit. That's him. Get down, Carl. Get down.
I'll play a louder one. I'll play a louder one. There he is. Old Windy Giles.
Oh, sorry, he's going to the subway. He's going to the subway.
There's a few hot girls down there. This is going to be brilliant.
You alright?
He's right behind me.
What do you mean right behind you?
There. There he is, look.
Where is he? Where's he walking into? Where's he going into?
The Chatterton Arms.
I just shouted at these things like shit.
It's been hours.
How? Since when did you get a girl with
Oh, I don't know. He must be dated.
Probably. I think this is literally going to be his first kiss. Oh, gosh. She just slapped him! She just slapped him! Oh, fair play, it's all fun and games.
Wait. Oh, no, he's doing it.
Hey, calm down.
Whoa.